If you only have 5 minutes to do your makeup, this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you my real quick routine that I use so I can look put together without doing a full beat. First thing first, we're going to moisturize. Don't never skip this step. While we let that dry, we're going to glue down these brows. Now that our moisturizer dried down, let's go ahead and add some primer. Since we're not doing a full beat, we don't need a lot of primer, so keep it very minimum. We're going to allow that to dry down as well. Going in first with my bronzer. Now laying down our concealer before we hit the blush, therefore our concealer can dry up a little. With this look, I love to add a little bit of blush on my nose. Now that the concealer dried down, we're going to go ahead and spray it before blending out. Giving that a few seconds to dry down. Let's blend it out. Going in with one of my darkest shade in setting powder, I'm going to go ahead and set under my eyes. Going with a darker shade in setting powder than my concealer gives me like a clean finish look without too much brightness under my eye, because this is just going to be a quick, easy, put together look, not a full glam. Now I'm going to touch back up with my blush. Right, I'm gonna go ahead and add some mascara and some eyeliner, and I'll be back. Alright y'all, I added my mascara and eyeliner, and then I let my hair down. I'm gonna do my simple lip combo with you guys, which is just a brown lip liner. And then my everyday lip gloss that I mixed together at the lip bar. So there you have it, guys. This is my everyday quick and easy clean girl put together look, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video and learned something,